Hey, it's José Castorena here, and in this video I want to show you why your affirmations aren't actually working. Now, if you're anything like me, you're saying affirmations right now. Saying affirmations for your health, for your financial situation, or for your love relationship. Now, many years ago, I used to practice affirmations every single day, every morning, at noon, and before I went to bed, just to see that I was not seeing any changes or any results in my life. And I started wondering, what am I doing wrong? I was saying things like, I'm a money magnet, I attract the perfect partner in my life, I have a perfect health, and I didn't see anything change in my life at all. So, the problem is not the affirmations. The problem is not you either. The problem is that you don't believe in what you're saying. And the stories you're telling yourself, within yourself, every single moment are not congruent or coherent with what you wish for or what you desire to be manifested in your life. So I needed to develop a belief system that was more convenient for me, meaning closing the gap between my affirmations, my desired state, and my current situation. Because you see, I was saying the affirmations like, I am a money magnet, but I just saw the money flowing out of my life. I was saying, I attract the perfect partner, but I just saw myself alone all the time. So this gap, this belief gap, was immense. That's how I came up with the affirmation myth. I needed to develop this system so that I could start step by step progressing into my beliefs and breaking all the paradigms that had brought me into my current situation in that time. This ebook will help you have more believability within yourself, and besides that, will give you a system to bridge believe your current paradigms into more convenient paradigms so that you can progress from there. You see, we need to develop this step by step. It is not that the affirmations will bring you the result immediately. You have to close the gap between what your current situation is and what you truly desire. And to do that, you need to see that every single word you say is coherent with the current changes that you're seeing in your life. Now, this is not an ebook with affirmations like I am a money magnet, or I attract the perfect partner, or I have the perfect health. This is an ebook that will help you progress in your belief system and to see that your reality is changing and is more coherent with the words that you're saying. Because everything you say is an affirmation. Let's connect, because I would like to go all the way with you so that you can apply every single thing you will see in the ebook and see real results in your life. Thank you for watching. I'm José Castorena, and I would like to connect with you for real. Let's get real with the affirmations, because remember, every single word you say is creating your reality. See you soon.